Day 123 of not removing my stops. We are going back to the basics. If you look back, my first like 30 to 40 days, I was trading the best I've ever traded, and I was doing things as simple as they come. Somewhere along the lines, I learned more stuff, I made things more complicated, I got a little bit more confused, and basically my trading has kind of just stalled out because I lost sight of the simple things that I was doing that were working. I do think a lot of the stuff that I learned is helpful and key to long-term success, but I think I'm putting a little bit too much pressure on it or too much weight on it and forgetting the stuff that was easy for me that I understood better. So these last couple weeks I have been trying to get cute and trying to make a little bit here, a little bit there, and it just wasn't following what I have tested to work, which is obviously why I'm red on the month. So we are going back to our easy peasy basics, following the date. Hey, back to our basics, following our data, which is break and retest of key levels and the moving average in the direction of the 5-minute. That is the key. 90 to 95% of the trades that I have lost over the last 2 weeks are because they were against the 5-minute trend. So I'm just gonna miss it if it's not going with the 5-minute trend, and that's okay. I'm also gonna go closer to a 1 to 2 risk reward right now. For the foreseeable future, I'm going to stop shooting for the moon. I know I'm going to leave a lot on the table. However, I need to pull myself back in order to push myself forward. So if I can consistently lock in that smaller 1 to 2, then when I add a contract, I could sell one at 1 to 2 and keep the next one for 1 to 3 or whatever it might be. So I just need to get those smaller, more consistent gains in. We're holding this 4430 level Friday and pre-market, but we failed, and now see if we can get back over or we reject. We're still trading within that first 15 and 5-minute range. We have some news coming out at 10, so we'll see. Keeps trying to set up like it's gonna long and then just taking it back out. But I am not going to long into right at this level. On the hourly though, we are coming into the 20 and we are still on a downward trend. So if this doesn't break back above here, it might be going lower. That looks like a bunch of fun. A little downside coming in. Let's see if it could keep pushing or if it just gets right back into that, what is it, $1 range right now. I might be looking to call this a day pretty soon here. Attempting to break above that level again, but if it just grabs that liquidity and leaves this here, goes back into the range, I'll probably just call it a day. Oh, Trump's talking. This guy held here, but I kind of already decided that I wasn't going to trade today. I don't know, price is moving really slow. It's been like 20 minutes, it's only moved 30 cents. I'm just going to wait for better opportunities. Bring in the patience back. See you guys tomorrow.